Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a nice utility you could use called FixWin 11 that has all kinds of fixes and troubleshooters you could run if you're having specific problems with your computer. I think this will work on Windows 10 as well, and you can tell when you run this that it's an older program. It's been around for a while because there's references to fix problems with Internet Explorer, which obviously isn't used in Windows 11 anymore. So once you download the zip file, extract it, nothing to install, just run the executable here. And I'll take you to the welcome screen, which kind of gives you an overview of your configuration. Then there's some tools here: System File Checker, Re-Register Store Apps, create a restore point, which they recommend you do before you start playing with it, just in case something, makes something worse. Because obviously something like this you want to use at your own risk because you never know what's going to happen. All right, so then we have the File Explorer section with various fixes here. Just kind of read through these real quick if you want to pause the video and take a look. And to fix one of the problems, let's say your thumbnails are not showing in File Explorer, just click on Fix. You could also click on the Help button, and it'll tell you what it's going to do. Okay, it says it's been fixed. Reboot may be required to see the changes. Okay, Internet and connectivity problems. Here's the Internet Explorer references right here. You could do a repair Winsock. You have this telnet error, which is common. DNS problems, clear the DNS resolver cache. All right, system fixes. There's 2 pages for this. And this one even has 2 fixes. So here's page 2. You can re-register all system DLLs, problems with Windows activation. Okay, then system tools. Various fixes here. Resetting Windows security. If you get the system restore has been disabled error. Task manager disabled, command prompt disabled errors. Then if you click on advanced system information, it just shows you information about your computer, the processor cores, RAM, video card. All right, then there's troubleshooters. So these are the typical Windows troubleshooters that you could actually just start from here. So if, let's say, you're having trouble with Windows Update, you could start the Windows Update troubleshooter and go through it just like that. You don't need this program to run the troubleshooters, but it's nice because they put a bunch of them all in one place. And there's some additional ones you could download if you want to do that. And then you have the additional fixes, fixing corrupt desktop icons, restoring sticky notes, enable hibernation, then some quick fixes, reset group policy, reset notepad, defaults, reset the Winsock again, DNS again, reset the Windows Update history, reset the firewall, reset TCP/IP. And then there's some manual fixes here. Then the About. All right, so that's about it. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff you could do from it. It's just, like a nice little tool where you could have a bunch of stuff all in one place so you don't have to go searching for it. So maybe some just to have on your computer, before you have a problem. And that way you could run it and see if you could find the fix you need to fix your problem. So I'll put a link in the description where you could download it, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.